Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm James, and today we're going to be installing 3 lighting upgrades for Morimoto that are going to absolutely transform the rear end of this 5th gen Ram 2500. If you're looking for vehicle installation guides for your specific vehicle, check out our channel or head over to our website to view our complete list of step-by-step install guides. Today we're going to be walking you through the installation guide of the following lighting upgrades: LED taillights, LED third brake lights, and the blinding Morimoto reverse light boost bar. We are very excited to show you how all these upgrades can be installed with minimal to zero wiring knowledge. Anyone can install these kits, and thanks to Morimoto's impressive plug-and-play products. So why would you want to upgrade the stock lighting on your truck? First, this truck came with lights that use dull halogen bulbs in their taillights and third brake. That means everything from running lights, braking, and signaling to the cargo bed light will leave you wishing they were brighter. The second is appearance. When you're customizing your truck, you'll want the entire build to match. Stock lens colors and yellow halogen bulbs can stand out like a sore thumb amongst other lighting upgrades. Finally, compatibility. On CustomsUnlimited.com, we have the largest selection of factory LED upgrades for the most popular makes and models available from top-rated and most trusted brands like Morimoto. So let's get into this install. The tools required for today's install consist of a screwdriver with a T20 and Phillips bit. We highly recommend picking up an installation toolkit from Customs Unlimited. This will ensure a safe removal of any factory lighting on your vehicle. Let's start with the taillights first. It is so easy to install these taillights. Morimoto, with their plug-and-play products, make it super simple to install and replace these OEM taillights. Let's walk you through these steps. First, you're going to remove both of these screws, and you'll use that T20 bit I mentioned. Then you'll use the pry tool to remove the taillight, and then we'll disconnect it from the factory harness. At that point, we'll use the harnesses provided by Morimoto to hook up our new taillight, and we'll test to make sure everything works. Now that the installation on the driver's side taillight's complete, let's take a look at how it turned out. That's definitely an upgraded look from that OEM taillight. Installation for the passenger side taillight is the exact same process, unless you plan on installing a Morimoto boost bar, and that's what we're going to be doing today. A Morimoto boost bar is a great way to dramatically increase your reverse light visibility. Now, these LED reverse lights from Morimoto are already substantially brighter than stock OEM, but adding this boost bar is that little extra boost that'll make it a lot easier to see. This Morimoto reverse light boost bar is the brightest reverse light in the industry, and today we're going to show you how easy it is to install with a Morimoto taillight. And that's because they are a plug-and-play connection with a Morimoto taillight. You can simply disconnect the cap and plug it in. If for whatever reason you don't have a taillight that is compatible with the plug-and-play Morimoto boost bar, no problem. They do include a wire with the provided wire tap, so you can easily tap right into your taillights and get that boost bar on any taillight on any vehicle. Let's jump into the install. But keep in mind, the one thing different about this side is that after you remove the OEM taillight, that's when we're going to want to run that boost bar wire. Then we can install the Morimoto taillight after that. Let's jump right into it. Now I got the taillights and the boost bar installed. All that's left is the third brake light. Out of all the lighting upgrades we've installed today, this one is definitely going to be the easiest. You can install it in 4 simple steps. First, remove the screws. Second, we're going to remove the factory third brake. Third, we're going to install the Morimoto converter harness. And finally, we're going to install the third brake light. You'll notice we're not using these rubber washers today. That's because it's not required for our build. Some builds it is. So take a look at our installation guide to make sure what works best for you and your build. Let's get these installed. Now that we've got the third brake installed, you're gonna see an upgraded red brake light and pure white cargo lights. With only a few upgrades, we have completely transformed the rear end of this truck to look completely different. And now finally, when you're backing up, you can actually see. You can find upgrades just like these and more on customsunlimited.com for the most popular makes and models. If you enjoyed watching today, make sure to like and subscribe for more install guides, news, and lighting product announcements. Thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see you next time.